stir fry with quinoa. So we have 1.5 pounds of mushrooms, but look how much they cook down. That's why you have to start like pan starts out way up here. So we cook the mushrooms out first before we add the other ingredients to the pan, just to let them get that really meaty aroma going. Then we're going to add in a bunch of broccolini for every 4 to 6 portions. I'm gonna let this guy get coated in the tiniest bit. I just have a little bit of high temperature cooking oil in there. So you would want grapeseed, canola, something that comes to a higher temp. Make sure he is on high. I knocked him back a little bit when we were during break. We're going to hold off a little bit on the greens and the ginger and the garlic. We'll let these guys get going first. And I used some Chinese or just thin leeks. You can use a regular onion, you can use a regular leek, all fine. So we're gonna spin this all around. Smells great, but it's gonna smell a whole lot better now because we're going to add ginger and garlic. So we spin that around. Oh my God, it smells awesome. Now we actually have to cook the quinoa itself in with our broccolini and our mushrooms. So we're gonna add a cup of quinoa, and we're gonna add 3 cups of vegetable stock. Give it a stir. So 3 to 1 is your ratio. And then just as if you were cooking, rice and 2 to 1, this is a 3 to 1, and we pop a lid on it, and when it comes up to a full boil, drop it down to a simmer and let that cook about 15 to 18 minutes until the quinoa is puffed up and nice and tender. So our quinoa and broccolini are all cooked up. This one was simmering in the back. The quinoa is all nice and puffy and tender. Now we're going to turn this off. I just wilted in about 4 cups, good packed handfuls of mixed greens. There's baby kale, there's all these little beautiful greens. Any ones that look great to you in the grocery store. Wilt those greens in last second, right before you're ready to serve. And then we're going to season this with gluten-free tamari. Here today, gone tomorrow. I just kill me. A little drizzle of sesame oil. No. And then we balance out the salty gluten-free tamari with a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Come on now, get out of there. Yes. I know, it smells fantastic. It's colorful. It's going to be truly, truly delicious. Oh gosh, I just want to take a facial in that. And then there's a couple more little fun surprises that I sprinkle up on top. Who doesn't love sprinkles? I know, right? I love sprinkles. So we take our bowl of quinoa and vegetables, and then we add the sesame seed sprinkles and our little crispy fried seaweed sticks. I mean, that just looks F-U-N fun. How cute is that?